Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I came across a very interesting cauliflower recipe which is a zero oil recipe and I wanted to try it and include it in my meal plans. So the ingredients list for this dish is given below, do check it out. The speciality of this dish is a unique masala which we prepare which is really aromatic and very delicious. So do try this recipe. I've got lots of such recipes on my channel, so if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share and comment. So let's jump right in. Firstly, we blanch the cauliflower nicely for 10 minutes in hot water and remove it and drain it and keep it ready. Then I've taken an onion and taken some garlic in an aluminium foil and I'm going to on low heat roast this on the gas top. We just want it charred a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm going to dry roast all the spices, that's cumin seeds, peppercorn, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. We'll just dry roast it until it gives out its aroma. Now to this we'll add the dry red chillies and just saute for a few seconds. Then remove it and cool it nicely. Now I've got the roasted ingredients, ginger, green chilli, turmeric powder and the roasted spices. We'll add 1/4 cup of water to this and make a smooth paste. Now since we're doing a zero oil recipe, please use a non-stick cookware to make this dish. On medium flame, I'm going to add the ground masala to this pan. And along with this, we'll add salt to taste. And on medium flame, we are going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes until the masalas are nicely done. So you can see the masalas cooked nicely. Now we'll add the blanched cauliflower to this and mix it well in the masala and coat it well. Now I'm going to add some hot water to this along with a little bit of tamarind pulp or paste and vinegar. Now we'll mix everything together and on medium-low flame we'll let this cook for 5 minutes or until the gravy thickens and the cauliflower is done. So keep stirring in between. And you can see the gravy is thickened and the cauliflower is cooked and our dish is ready to be served with roti or rice. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in your comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.